Hey guys, it's Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. My software is giving me a buy signal. Let's take a buy. Boom, there you go. Let me set my take profits. Today is it's still the 17th of October 2023. The market has been moving slow lately anyway, but we'll still be able to see some scalp trades. We started trading this account with $250. Let me just show you the account history. Show you all that profits. We've been recording it from the beginning and we've made a withdrawal of $23,350 so far. Look at all that profit, guys. Look at, and yeah, that's the 15k withdrawal. And so far we've made a profit of 73,000 doing all these trades. Remember, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com, where we take live trades with you, live scalping trades like this. You also get the software for free. The software tells you when to buy, where to sell, just like you've seen when you're scalping, when you're taking swing trades, and where to hedge. Hedging is a way that if the trade goes bad for you, you end up losing nothing. And it's proper hedging, not instead of using a stop loss, it's proper hedging. And yeah, hedge funds never use stop losses, and not martingale system. Don't confuse it for that. Martingale system will end up blowing your account. This will end up saving your accounts. As you can see, if you could just watch some of my playlists, you see that 3,500 and 5,000, that was a hedge. Not only did we clear the loss, we made some profit on top of it also. $1,500 profit. If you see it, that's the yeah. If you look at it there, it's just the one on top. Anyways, so if you want to copy my trades, sign up with Mega Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 and send me proof of that on WhatsApp. No, on Telegram actually. And this is so that you make some money while you're watching my channel. And if you want to test my software for free for 1 week and you want to actually get the course, sign up with Mega Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account and send me proof of that on Telegram, and I'll tell you what to do next. So we'll be right back once we have more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe, and click those notification bells on. All right, guys, we're back. News came and it gave us $410 in profit so far. And yeah, that's it. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in the description below. And we'll be right back once we have another trade in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe, and click those notification bells on.